exposing the secret to a faster Windows 11 experience. Don't let Anti-Malware Service Executable slow you down. First, let's adjust some Windows Defender settings. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Under Exclusions, add msmping.x. This prevents it from scanning itself. Next, you can reset Windows Defender. Same steps: Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, manage settings, and restore settings to their default values. If you're in a pinch, temporarily disable real-time protection, but don't forget to turn it back on. Now let's tweak Task Scheduler. Open it by typing tasks.t.msc in the Run box. Navigate to Windows Defender Scheduled Scan, uncheck Run with highest privileges in the General tab, and disable all options in the Conditions tab. You can even disable the scheduled scan entirely if needed. Finally, keep your drivers updated, run System File Checker and DISM, and clear temporary files. Always ensure your Windows 11 is up to date. Problem solved!